Managing funds is one of the most important parts of any online financial platform experience. BlazeRusHoldings presents a structured approach to deposits and withdrawals, with attention to convenience, transparency, and compliance. Users can add funds through several common methods, including bank transfers, supported digital payment services, and credit or debit cards. This variety gives users more flexibility when choosing how to fund their account. BlazeRusHoldings also states that it does not charge deposit fees, although banks or payment providers may apply their own fees depending on the payment method used. For card payments, users may need to complete a quick verification process, including a snapshot of the card. This step is connected to anti-money laundering requirements and is designed to support a safer account environment. Withdrawals are generally processed using the same method and currency that we use for deposits. This helps keep account activity consistent and easier to track. In certain cases, transfers to different accounts may be approved if compliance conditions are met and additional verification documents are provided.